Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Story. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a star. So when I was thinking like what we can do for this week, I came up with this nice idea. I want to show you like how to make a star because there are so many things which you can do with this. So example, this one I just did one side, and if you want to make it as a keychain, you can do one more star similar to it, and then just sew it together, and then you can have a little cotton or something inside, and you can use it as a locket, and you can use it as a decorative stuffs, and you can put a LED light inside and it can just glow. So yeah, let's do. So first we are going to make a magic ring. So if you don't know how to do a magic ring, I have posted a tutorial on that. Please check it out. I'll add the link in the description. Okay, so we are going to make 5, because as you see it has 5 sides, right? So our stitches is going to be like multiples of 5. So just do 5 single crochets. Finally, you should have 5 chains in the top. Just ensure that you have 5 chains in the top. So I'm just keeping it little big so it will be easy for you to follow. Okay, so usually you can make small rings. So anyhow, we are going to pull it through. So this is my second chain. Same way, third chain. So finally, once you are done with it, just count the chain numbers so it will be easy. You know whether we have done it correctly or not. Sometimes it won't be created properly. So let's just count it. You can see it's 1. Here you could see 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to take one more chain. Okay, so one more single crochet. So once you are done with your single crochet, just pull it little and slowly pull the string. Okay, slowly, because it's going to be a circle, inner circle. Just slowly. You don't want to create a mess here. Okay, so as you could see our top 5 chains. So I'm just going to leave this little open. So once I'm done with the second round, I'll tighten it. Okay, so now we have our 5 chains ready. So on top of it, I'm going to do one single crochet in each chain. Okay, so it's going to be 1. See, if you tight the first circle more, then it is a little bit difficult for you to find the chains. So that's the reason I have left it open for some. So it will be easy for us to make 5 single crochets in the chains. So this you can see here it is little tight. So just going to, yeah. So we have created 5. So once you are done with this first round, so just take it out, pull this. So it should looks like a circle. Pull it. Okay. So now we are here. So I'm just going to make one slip stitch. So it's going to be like a proper circle. So I'm just going to find a top layer here in the last stitch. And then add one slip stitch. So you get a proper circle. So now you have 5 chains in the top. we are going to increase it to 10. So in every single chain you are going to make 2 single crochets. So if you see, I have just added 2 single crochets in the top chain. So now if you count it, it will have 10 chains in the top. 9, 10. So once you are done with this 10 single crochets, we are going to increase it to 15. So for that, in the first chain you are going to make 1 single crochet, and in the next chain you are going to make 2 single crochets. So we are just adding 5 in this row. So just alternatively keep doing it. So in the first chain it's going to be 1 single crochet, and in the next chain it's going to be 2 single crochet. And once you reach the end, just count the chains. The total count has to be 15. So we are not increasing the chains drastically, because the circle won't be proper, and we are using multiples of 5 because the star has 5 ends. Just keep repeating that. So it's going to be 1 single crochet in the first chain and 2 single crochets in the next chain. Right now we are using only single crochet for the circle. So once we start crocheting the star ends, we'll be using half double crochet and double crochet. Okay, let's count it now. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. So 10 extra. Okay, so we have completed. So after this, we are going to increase it to 20. For 20, what are you going to do is, you are going to do 2 single crochets, and in the third chain you are going to add 2 single crochet in the same chain. So it's going to be 1 single crochet in the first chain, and then again 1 single crochet in the second chain, and in the third chain you are going to add 2 single crochets. So in this row we are adding 5 additional chains. So once you reach the end, you will get 20 chains in the top. Okay, so let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we got 20. So once you reach 20, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to increase one more round to 25. Okay, so you can just so in the fourth chain you are going to do 2 single crochets, the same way how we did last time. For the last row we targeted third chain, so now in this row we are going to target fourth chain. So in the fourth chain you are going to do 2 single crochets. Okay, let's count it. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. So we have 25 chains. So the center circle is ready. Okay, so now what are we going to do is, in the same one where you ended it, or you can take the next one also, both way it is fine, but just have the count, just have to remember the count whatever you are doing. Okay, so let's make one single crochet in the next chain, and then in the same chain you are going to make half double crochet. Okay, and in the same chain we are going to make one double crochet, and in the same chain we are going to make one treble crochet. Now you see one side is ready, so the same way we have to decrease it now. So on the same chain you do one double crochet, half double crochet, and then single crochet. So once this is done, in the next chain add a slip stitch. Okay, so one end is ready, and in the next chain again you add a slip stitch. So in the next 4 chain we are going to just add a slip stitch. So 3, this is going to be 4. Okay, and then in the next chain we are going to make the same pattern. So first we are going to do a single crochet, next half double crochet, and then double crochet. So if you want small end, you can stop it in double crochet itself. As I have done a big circle, I am going to do treble crochet also. Okay, now we finished one side. We are going to reduce it now. So again, double crochet, half double crochet, and then single crochet in the same chain. The single crochet is done. So in the next chain we are going to do slip stitch. So don't miss the next one, because as this is a big end, we will miss the immediate next chain, so you have to count that as well. So that's your first slip stitch, and the next one, so first slip stitch, and then the second one, third one, and fourth one. So once you are done with 4 slip stitches, we are going to start again single crochet, half double crochet. This is in the same chain. So 4 slip stitch, and then in the next chain I added one single crochet. So we are going to do the same thing. Example, like first one single crochet and then double crochet, treble crochet, and then we are going to reduce it again for this side. So it's going to be double, half double, and then single crochet, and then again a slip stitch. If you see this, it looks like a cat or a teddy bear. So what you can do is you can do the same crochet pattern one more time and just stitch it, and you can stuff it with some cotton, and that could be a cute teddy bear or a cat. Okay, now we are going to add half double crochet, so just ended with 4 slip stitch, which which exactly connects with this first petal which we added. Okay, so just add one chain and pull it out. So this is it. So now what you can make is you can do one more star and just stitch to it, like exactly like from behind, or you can make some different color also. Just stitch it exactly in the same, because the number of stitches is going to be anyhow same. This is small one. If you see, I have used only 20 chains and this is 25. So if you are using 25, then make one more 25 circle star and just stitch it, and then you can stuff it inside. And another thing is, like, you can still increase few more circles. Just remember that you have to do it in multiples of 5, and you can add the petals, little big ones, because based on your circle you have to increase the petals as well, so the star looks perfect. So this video is about how to crochet a star, but while crocheting, including me, I just figured out that we could do a cat or a teddy bear. You can just stuff little more cotton and you can use it as a stuffed toy. And if you have a jumbo yarn, you can crochet the same similar patterns in a big yarn, and you can use it as a cushion as well. And I just figured it out. It just looks like a turtle to me. If you see, just keep it like this. Yeah. Okay, so just change the color. So turtle incense, like, you can change it to brown or something. And I have a video of how to add a color, different yarn color. I'll add it in the description, so you can just go through it and just keep exploring. And while looking at this, I could think of many ideas. So if you get any, please share it with me in comments. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share. So to get more videos, click on the bell icon. Thank you.